Hi, second graders. Today we're going to continue to talk about blends. Try this with me. Coal, coal. The CL blend makes two sounds. Coal. Remember, a consonant blend, even though we say it really fast, it retains its own sound. So for example, when we finger stretch a word like clip, k, o, I, p, it has four sounds. Watch me graph the word clip. K, o, I, p. Watch me zap it. Clip. Watch me finger stretch again. Clam. K, o, a, clam. Remember, when we read and spell words with consonant blends, each consonant retains its own individual sound, even though we blend them really fast. Watch me graph clam. Am. Clam. Watch one more time. Let's try club. B. Watch me graph it. B. And then zap it. Club. Make sure when you're graphing your blends, each letter gets its own sound box.